I've always heard birds of a feather flock together. Now, as almost anybody in South Louisiana would know, and other parts of the country too, that ducks always fly in a formation, geese fly in a formation, and a lot of other birds, most birds, fly in some sort of formation, different types of formations and stuff, and there's all kind of reasons for that. There's one bird specifically that does not flock. The eagle does not flock. Just because birds of a feather flock together doesn't mean you have to be part of the flock. You can be the eagle. You can soar out there ahead of everybody else and you can take care of things yourself. If you're a flocker, then you're just a flocker. Mothers can be flockers too, but we should never call them mother flockers because that would just be wrong.